Urdu Accent and Pronunciation course by TARIQ. Hello, welcome to Urdu Accent and Pronunciation course. I am Tariq Aziz and I'm going to teach you how to read, how to write and how to speak. In this pronunciation and accent course, you are not going to learn only pronunciation, you are also going to learn how to read, how to write, how to speak, and how to speak like a native speaker. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Today our word is your. How to say in Urdu? There are two ways to say in Urdu. First, aapka. Second, tumhara. Let's look at the word aapka. First, I'm going to tell you how to pronounce aapka. In my first, second and third lesson, I already taught you Urdu alphabets. So I'm going to read first aap. How to make aap? How to make aap? Don't app, okay? This is not app, this is aap, okay? So alif madda. Alif madda. First alphabet alif madda, and the second alphabet pe. Then when we join two words alif madda and pe, it becomes aap, okay? Aap, okay? The first word aap. Second ka. How to say ka? It's in Urdu alphabets, first word is kaf. Do you remember kaf? There are two in kaf in Urdu. First kaf and second kaf, okay? So this one is kaf, kaf, okay? And the second one is alif. This is not the alif madda. I'm talking about ka. I'm talking about the last one, kaf plus alif. If you know Urdu alphabets, you can understand easily how to make this word, how to join these words. So first kaf, second alif, it becomes ka, okay? There are two words in aapka. First one aap, second one ka. It means your. Aap ka, aap ka. It is very formal. You always use this word for elders, for teachers, okay? So you always use this word in front of elders and teachers, okay? So have you remembered what I taught you? Aap ka, aap ka. Now let's talk about the second word, your, tumhara. This is informal. Let me tell you, this is informal. We use in front of friends, youngers. So let's how to make this word in Urdu. First alphabet, I'm going to first te, second meme, third he, four alif, fifth re, six alif, okay? Now how to make this word? Te mean tum, te mean tum, he alif ha, tumha, re alif ra, tumhara. If you repeat after me, you can pronounce exactly like a native speaker. Te mean tum, te mean tum, he alif ha, te mean tum, he alif ha, tumha, re alif ra, tumhara. How to say in Urdu? Tumhara. If you don't want to learn Urdu how to read, how to write this word. So just you can learn the above word Tumhara. You can also learn this because it's a Roman Urdu, and Indian can understand easily if they do not know Urdu, because Urdu and Hindi speaker can understand Roman Urdu, but Hindi speakers do not understand actual Urdu like this. Tebim tum he alif ha re alif ra tumhara. So they cannot understand this one, but they can understand second one. Okay, Tumhara. So they can understand this. Okay, so today word I taught you two words. One is formal and second one is informal. You have to repeat after me. I'm going to read and you have to listen. First, aapka. If you don't want to learn Urdu, original Urdu, you can learn Roman Urdu. APKA. It means aapka. Okay, aapka. And the second one, tumhara. I hope you have learned this lesson, and in my next lesson I will teach you more words how to pronounce in Urdu. Thanks for joining me in Urdu accent and pronunciation course. Thanks. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Allah Hafiz. Take care.